My topic is product development and innovation in detail explained, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Product development and innovation involve the process of creating and introducing new or improved products or services to the market. It encompasses the activities required to identify customer needs, generate ideas, design and develop prototypes, test and refine the product, and bring it to market successfully. Here are the key steps involved in product development and innovation. Idea generation. Begin by generating ideas for new products or improvements to existing products. This can be done through various methods such as brainstorming sessions, customer feedback, market research, competitor analysis, and trend analysis. Encourage creativity and explore different sources of inspiration. Idea screening. Evaluate and screen the generated ideas to determine their feasibility and alignment with your business objectives. Consider factors such as market potential, technical feasibility, resource requirements, and compatibility with your brand and target market. Prioritize ideas that have the highest potential for success. Concept development. Once promising ideas are identified, develop product concepts. Create detailed descriptions and visual representations of the product features, benefits, and value proposition. Consider the needs and preferences of your target market and ensure that the concept addresses their pain points and provides a unique solution. Design and prototyping. Translate the selected concept into a tangible prototype or design. Use design tools and software to create visual representations or 3D models. Develop prototypes that can be tested and refined to ensure functionality, usability, and quality. Iteratively improve the design based on feedback and testing. Testing and validation. Conduct thorough testing and validation of the prototype or design. Gather feedback from potential customers, conduct focus groups or usability studies, and assess the product's performance, reliability, and user experience. Identify areas for improvement and refine the product accordingly. Production and manufacturing. Once the product design is finalized, determine the production and manufacturing requirements. Source the necessary materials, select suppliers, and establish manufacturing processes. Develop a production timeline and ensure that the product can be manufactured at scale while maintaining quality standards. Marketing and launch. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy for the new product. Identify target market segments, create compelling messaging, and determine the most effective marketing channels and tactics. Develop promotional materials, pricing strategies, and distribution plans. Build anticipation and generate buzz before the product launch. Launch and post-launch evaluation. Launch the product in the market and monitor its performance closely. Track sales, customer feedback, and market response. Collect data on key performance indicators such as customer satisfaction, market share, and profitability. Evaluate the success of the product launch and identify areas for further improvement. Continuous improvement and innovation. Product development is an ongoing process. Continuously gather customer feedback, monitor market trends, and seek opportunities for improvement and innovation. Regularly update and enhance the product based on customer needs, technological advancements, and competitive landscape. Intellectual property protection. Throughout the product development process, consider protecting your intellectual property through patents, trademarks, copyrights, or trade secrets. Consult with legal professionals to understand and secure the appropriate intellectual property rights for your product. Effective product development and innovation require a customer-centric approach, market research, cross-functional collaboration, and a willingness to take risks. By focusing on creating products that meet customer needs, differentiate from competitors, and deliver value, businesses can drive growth and stay ahead in a dynamic market. Product development and innovation refer to the process of creating and introducing new or improved products, services, or features to the market. It involves identifying customer needs, generating ideas, designing and developing the product, testing and refining it, and finally launching it. Here are the key steps involved in product development and innovation. Identify customer needs. Start by understanding the needs, pain points, and desires of your target market. Conduct market research, collect customer feedback, and analyze industry trends to gain insights into what customers are looking for in a product or service. Idea generation. Generate a pool of ideas that have the potential to address the identified customer needs. Encourage brainstorming sessions, seek input from cross-functional teams, engage with customers, and explore emerging technologies or market gaps to inspire innovative ideas. Idea screening: evaluate and screen the generated ideas based on criteria such as feasibility, market potential, strategic fit, and alignment with the company's capabilities and resources. Prioritize ideas that are viable, aligned with the business strategy, and have the highest potential for success. Concept development: develop the chosen ideas into concepts that outline the key features, benefits, and value proposition of the proposed product. Create prototypes, mock-ups, or virtual representations to visually demonstrate the concept and gather feedback from stakeholders and potential customers. Design and development: once the concept is finalized, proceed with the detailed design and development of the product. This includes engineering, design, packaging, and branding considerations. Collaborate with cross-functional teams, including product managers, engineers, designers, and marketers, to ensure the product meets technical, functional, and aesthetic requirements. Testing and validation: conduct thorough testing and validation of the product to ensure its functionality, quality, and performance. This can involve alpha and beta testing, focus groups, user testing, and iterative refinement based on user feedback. Identify and address any issues or shortcomings during this phase. Manufacturing and production: once the product design is finalized and validated, transition to manufacturing and production. Work with suppliers, manufacturers, and operations teams to ensure efficient production processes and quality control measures are in place. Launch and marketing: develop a comprehensive launch and marketing plan to introduce the product to the market. Determine pricing strategies, distribution channels, and promotional activities to generate awareness and drive demand. Develop marketing materials, campaigns, and messaging that highlight the unique features and benefits of the product. Monitoring and feedback: continuously monitor the performance of the product in the market. Collect customer feedback, track sales, and gather market insights to assess the product's reception and identify areas for improvement. Use this feedback to inform future iterations or new product development initiatives. Continuous innovation: foster a culture of continuous innovation within the organization. Encourage feedback and ideas from employees, customers, and partners. Stay abreast of market trends, emerging technologies, and evolving customer needs to identify opportunities for further product enhancements or new product development. Product development and innovation require a systematic and iterative approach that combines customer insights, creativity, cross-functional collaboration, and strategic decision-making. By consistently striving to meet customer needs and staying ahead of the competition through innovation, businesses can drive growth, maintain relevance, and build a loyal customer base. Product development and innovation refer to the process of creating new or improved products or services that meet the evolving needs and preferences of customers and bring value to the market. Here are the key steps involved in product development and innovation. Idea generation: generate ideas for new products or improvements to existing products. This can be done through brainstorming sessions, market research, customer feedback, industry trends analysis, or collaboration with cross-functional teams. Idea screening: evaluate and screen the generated ideas to identify the most viable ones. Consider factors such as market potential, technical feasibility, competitive advantage, alignment with business objectives, and available resources. Concept development: develop the selected ideas into product concepts. Define the features, functions, and benefits of the proposed product. Create concept designs, prototypes, or mock-ups to visualize and communicate the product concept. Market research: conduct market research to gather feedback and insights from potential customers. This can involve surveys, focus groups, interviews, or prototype testing. The research helps validate the product concept, uncover user preferences, and identify potential market opportunities. Product design and development: based on the validated concept, proceed with the detailed design and development of the product. This includes engineering, manufacturing considerations, packaging design, and user experience design. Iterative prototyping and testing are often conducted to refine the product design. Testing and validation: Conduct thorough testing and validation to ensure the product meets quality standards and user expectations. This can involve functional testing, usability testing, performance testing, and safety testing. Collect feedback from test users and make necessary adjustments. Marketing and launch planning. Develop a comprehensive marketing plan to support the product launch. Define the target market, positioning, pricing, distribution channels, and promotional strategies. Create marketing material, branding, messaging, and sales collateral. Commercialization and launch. Prepare for the commercialization of the product by setting up production, establishing supply chains, and finalizing distribution agreements. Execute the launch plan, ensuring proper communication and promotion across various marketing channels. Post-launch evaluation. Monitor the performance of the launched product in the market. Track sales, customer feedback, and market response. Collect data on user satisfaction, product usage patterns, and customer preferences. Use this feedback to make continuous improvements and refinements to the product. Continuous improvement and innovation. Foster a culture of continuous improvement and innovation within the organization. Encourage feedback and ideas from customers, employees, and stakeholders. Monitor market trends, emerging technologies, and competitive landscape to identify opportunities for product enhancements or new product development. Remember that product development and innovation are iterative processes. It is crucial to stay customer-focused, adapt to market changes, and embrace feedback to drive ongoing improvement and innovation in your products and services. Regularly assess and update your product portfolio to stay competitive and deliver value to your target market. Product development and innovation refer to the processes involved in creating new or improved products, services, or processes that serve a specific need in the market. It involves gathering insights about customer needs, developing ideas, conducting research and testing, designing and prototyping, and launching the final product or service. Innovation is a crucial element of growth and competitiveness, enabling companies to create new opportunities and expand into new areas. Successful product development requires a deep understanding of market trends, customer needs, and technological advancements, as well as an ability to navigate and manage risk. Product development and innovation are complex and require a multidisciplinary approach involving the collaboration of various functions such as R&D, marketing, design, engineering, and manufacturing. Companies that excel in these areas invest heavily in research and development, encourage creativity and experimentation, and have a solid understanding of customer and market needs. Overall, product development and innovation are critical components of a successful business strategy, driving growth and differentiation in today's fast-paced and dynamic business environment. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.